Hello, welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to guide you through the process of actually creating some two separate social media design for Instagram, Facebook, you name it. So let's begin. Okay, so in our document, we start by actually deleting everything and going under design, where we're going to change the slide size. So click on slide size, go under custom, so that we can actually make something which is square 33, and the height will be 33. Then I'm going to click where it says okay. Then I'm going to ensure it fits on the screen. Yeah, what we need to do is actually format the background color into a certain color of choice, either black or something which I would actually like, which I have here, a custom hex code. It's more like a dark green. Then I click OK. Our background color has been set right now. So now we actually need to input a shape, images, and the list goes on, which I'm going to paste on the screen. This is the image which we used in a previous video though, so we're just being resourceful here. Then let me see how the image goes. Yeah, then on this part I'm going to actually put a text box where I'm going to write the company name. It's called Hotera. Use Open Sans, which I have. You can actually use any font of your choice. Increase the font size, then I align it on the side. Then I click Control and drag this one. Then I'm going to leave H only. Select all, go and find a font that will look like this H is a logo. Yes, then I'm going to increase the font size so that it acts like a logo. Now the second thing which we actually need to do is actually putting a square, which I want to actually put information in it. So I just move this picture on the side just to, then I get this shape, go and select the rounded corners rectangle. Then I'm going to drag on this space here, and I'm going to enter within the within the image, just like that. Turn this fill into white and remove the shape outline by leaving no outline. So the next thing which I'm going to do is input a text box. Yes, I'm just going to drag it on the top, and I'm going to write a certain text which I really want to show. At Hotera, just like this. Select everything, and I'm going to make it bold enough to be visible. Then I'm just going to drag it like this. Now I need to actually add another information that aligns with the this explore box here. Looking for a text box again, select there, drag and drop. Then I'm going to slide it throughout. Then I'm going to fill in a certain text, so like book. Okay, make the text color white. Then I'm going to say book your escape, because you're escaping from reality, not the matrix now, and elevate heights. Okay, this is the text. Then I'm going to actually increase the font size to something that's more visible on the phone, just like this. I think we can actually work with this. Then the other thing which I want to add is just a rectangle here, so that it slides through until it reaches to the end. Just a design which I'm just thinking. Shape fill white, and shape outline nothing. Okay, the white did not work. Yes, then I'm going to preview the design and see how it shows. This is the preview of the design which you just made. So we are now going to actually create the second part of the design, because it's gonna go for social media. I'm going to duplicate the same slide and go here. I'm just going to delete this. I should have just deleted everything other than duplicating. So on this part, I'm actually going to select everything and delete. It's not necessary. Pick a few shapes which I'm going to actually draw on the screen, just maybe like this, right? Giving a space for the text which you are going to be writing. Then drag and drop this same thing here, just to be here. Select everything and see if it is centered on the middle part. Okay, I think it's a bit centered. Then I'm going to change the fill color into what? Into white. Right, I'm going to click on this, drag and drop, and just take the same thing like here. Then I'm going to turn the shape fill into what? Into black. Right, then I'm going to actually go on the right side of the screen where I'm going to actually what? Format the shape to have a what? A certain effect. If you cannot find it, let's say you are just here, right? Select the shape, double tap it, it won't work, right? So I'm going to go under design. I'm going to go where it says format background. Then the trick is I'm going to select this one, this first shape, and the second shape. Then I'm going to go on the effects. Then I'm going to go on the shadow, because we're giving this shadow for a certain image which we are going to be putting. Choosing this shadow, okay, nice. I'm going to choose this one. Then the blur size is gonna be a bit huge. Then I think it's fine for now. The other thing, now we're going to actually take some pictures from the computer, drag and drop on the top. Then I'm going to actually resize the picture to at least fill this space, just like this. Then I'm going to take another picture where someone is in a certain shampoo spa thing, right? And then I'm going to decrease the size again. Okay, I've managed to resize this. I'm going to drag and drop and put it below here, just like that. Then now is the part where we're going to actually add information. So grab a text box, drag and drop like this. Then I'm going to write something. Okay, enlarge it. My spelling is bad here. All right, then I'm going to drag and drop the same thing and put it here, right? Then I'm going to put spa retreat, just like that. Then I'm going to create another word, a text box, where I'm going to put information about the what up there. Okay, treat. Okay, increase the font size for it to be visible. I think just like this. Okay, yeah. Well, then I'm going to actually do the same for the following. Drag and drop and put here. Now I'm going to put another information which I've just generated on the previous video, paste it here so that I don't waste any time. Time is being precious on this channel. Then I'm actually going to create a shape where I'm going to put a certain price for the what, for this package. Put a shape fill of what? White. No shape outline. Yes. I'm gonna zoom in right now. I'm gonna use a text box, drag it like this. Then I'm going to put a price, $199.00. I'm gonna drag it and put it here. And the font size, let me make it big and bold, and choose the same color which you are using on this one. It is dark green, just like that. Then I'm going to put a shape which you mostly see in other sites, websites and designs. It's more like call to action shape, more like that. I'm going to use a triangle. I'm gonna make a small triangle. Yes, drag and drop and put it here. And I'm gonna make it shape fill with the same color, and outline, no outline. Then I'm going to rotate it just like that, right? No, it's not yet. Okay, it's a bit, yeah. Then I'm going to rotate it and put it here, right? Then I'm going to make it a bit small because this is all right. I think we're good to go for now. And now I'm going to copy everything, control, drag and drop, and actually what, put it here. The same for the information here. I'm going to copy everything, drag and drop, so that things are a bit aligned. Seems like, yeah, copy everything, drag and drop, and put it here. Do the same on the information. Oh, I think the text was left behind. You see, I'm gonna put it like this, and I'm gonna put a different price. Let's say 140 what, 149.00, just like that. Now we have a preview of our design. Go to the next post, and voila, we actually managed to create this social media post using what, PowerPoint. So I just want to thank you for reaching the end of this video. If this video was useful, please, make a comment and see if there is need of any adjustment, of there is in need of anything else to be done. And if you need the resources to the file, there is a link provided, mbonis.com/resources. There is the website where you are going to be able to download the file to this project. Well, thank you, I really appreciate it. And those who gave a feedback on WhatsApp, thank you. I'll try my best to improve from time to time. Cheers, have a blessed day.